What if you can have a tool that provides you with all the necessary features to make excellent marketing campaigns and also boost your website efficiency in favor of your business? Check the following presentation from Branalyzer, a platform that helps you gain important SEO analytics, obtain competition information, obtain leads, send cold emails, secure organizations' domains, usernames, and perform other similar duties.
Hello there! Welcome to Branalyzer, the best web app to get depth information about what is happening on the internet. Stay with me to see how it works. Branalyzer is the AI-based all-in-one tool that allows obtaining detailed information on brands. Marketing freelancers, agencies, entrepreneurs, and startups can use Branalyzer to get depth information about what is happening on the internet. How much do your competitors spend on backlinks? What are their conversion rate, average order values, and revenue? What are their main SEO metrics? Don't waste your time and money on different tools. Analyze in-depth your brand and the competitors to improve your online presence. Get rich data on company size, industry, locations, emails. Get business main KPI, traffic, conversion rate, monthly revenue, lifetime value. Welcome to Branalyzer. It's easier than ever to keep your brand on top. Be curious and access Branalyzer today.
If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? Start creating successful marketing campaigns with Branalyzer. Try it now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.